presently we don't have any thought in bringing back lockdown in the state. We don't have. Okay? And I'm sure the restriction that we issued from that time to time will help the citizens. I would urge to every concerned citizen of the state. You knew well, if you go to Baraj Bazaar, to Yodo, if you go to Yodo, means you know it's crowded, or be it Police Bazaar. So as a responsible citizen of the state, I think we need to understand one thing by avoiding going to a crowded place. Because see, if we reduce it to 50% or 70% or 40% to Police Bazaar or to Bara Bazaar, I think you understand. So what will be the effect after that? The effect means our own people will have very tough time. They will have a very tough time. That's why we said we issue restriction individually. We issue restriction, yes, like in this public gathering, be it in the church, be it anywhere. Yes, this one we said we decrease it to 50%. So if you say we reduce it 50%, Yodo or Police Bazaar, as I said to you, it is not so feasible at the moment. That's why by issuing this restriction, I hope the citizens of the state will cooperate with the government, and number two, they will take care themselves wherever they go, be it in Police Bazaar, be it in Yodo. They need to take care of themselves to make sure to avoid going to these places which is full crowd. Right now nothing of that sort. But you need to be very careful individually. They need to take care of themselves. So I'm sure people will understand this, because if you don't, even if you reduce to 40%, 50%, I think there is no point at all if you don't take care of yourself.